that mess? You did. Who made that mess? You did.
Hey guys.
Hi guys. Okay, so we just made it to Alaskan Crab and
My first time here, so I'm gonna have Phil order everything.
Leia put me on Alaskan Crab, so we're gonna check the menu. So, oh, we're actually ready. I got you. Okay, so can we do the Thursday special? And then can we do juicy please? And then can I add an extra corn on the top? And then let's have mayo. And then also can I add an extra pound or half pound of pepper? And then I think that's it. I got you. Yeah, perfect.
You guys are good with water?
Yeah. Thank you.
I brought Coke Zero from home.
I brought iced tea. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you guys.
Well, that's what we got.
Okay, guys.
I got. Okay, so
We have our gloves.
so big. It smells so good. Oh, we should have did that TikTok. The boom, boom.
Bitch, I'm hungry. We have our...
She's just saying that because she already got viral from a seafood boil.
Fresh new set on the hoe. If you ain't paid for them, then bitch, you got to go.
Wow. Oh my god. Okay. So.
Pig rolls. So we have our
I'm stressed. Oh fuck. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, it's fine.
dripped our seafood boil on the floor.
Okay.
Alright, now we're gonna get Phil's food because...
Guys.
So I'm just gonna dig into...
I'm gonna use this on my man. He pissed me off. Wait, I want a big one first. How do I do this? There you go. Ooh, y'all see that?
Okay. Fine. I bet it's corn. Good.
What are we thinking?
So far, I have to taste the crab leg still. I haven't even got to a crab leg. I know that little chode ass shit. I can't even open it.
They do know. Guys, wait.
Imagine if bitch probably comes with it.
No, it doesn't.
Oh sure.
It doesn't.
Okay.
Guys. Oh, I know y'all see that thing. Oh wow.
Good one. Guys, should I wear a bib?
I don't think they want you to wear a bib. Hey, lobster mama.
Okay. Ooh.
Ooh,
Damn, yours
wow.
came out so cute.
Wow.
We're gonna be eating Larry the Lobster.
Larry the Lobster.
Larry's Lobster.
Ooh, ready?
Wait.
Wait, bitch. Oh, I'm excited.
Will you eat the whole thing?
Yeah.
I thought we were taking
Was I
bites.
not supposed to do that? Look at my shirt. I mean my bib.
Your shirt.
Thank God I put a bib on. Another shrimp for the win. My bib.
Guys, story time on how we ran out of Alaskan crab without paying.
No. Ooh, wow. I know y'all see that. This is about to be good. Damn it. I haven't got any sausage.
Oh, now put fucking sauce. Oh, what's a sugar? Bitch! They didn't give us sausage.
Where the
Call the
fuck's
guy.
our sausage?
Imagine he goes, bitch, you guys ate the lobster.
We didn't get our sausage.
Boom, ask for the lobster.
Lobster? Lobster? No, we need our
Our
sausage.
sausage?
We are missing our sausage.
Oh, I thought you already called someone. I was like, yeah, let me see.
Yeah, you're already? No, we need our sausage.
Yeah, I want that shit. Go, call the guy.
I don't see him.
Or just call anyone. Her.
She looks like she's on a mission.
Call someone else.
Oh, this is yours, this is mine. Sorry.
This bitch wants to eat
I was
the whole
hoping she wouldn't
wrap.
notice.
Dumbass bitch. Bitch, mira, mira, mira.
Almost.
Almost, bitch.
Guys.
Salte, wey. Ay, no, no mames.
It's on me. Guys, he's kind of muscular. He's muscular. Oh man. I mean our waiter.
Wow.
Wow.
This shit's so good. Call him so I can use your sausage.
Help me. I'm stuck all over me. Excuse me, we didn't get our half pound of sausage.
So what are we having for sweet treat later? Bitch, this one mine. Like jelly or not jelly bean. What's her name?
Primitas.
Not primitas.
Ooh.
Oh, what's her name?
Jelly bean.
No, she's seafood. Her name's like Honey something.
Honey stuff.
No, bitch.
Honey munch. Honey bun. Guys, we need our sausage.
Guys, we need our sausage.
You know how to flag people down better, I can. Excuse me. Bitch, he's gonna be like, you guys almost ate everything already?
No.
No, we need our sausage.
We need our sausage.
Excuse me?
Go.
We never got our sausage.
Can you say that again?
Huh?
Can you say that again?
Oh, we never got our sausage.
Do you know who your server is?
It was the guy with the gesture. It was supposed to be inside it.
Okay. I
We got the Thursday. Okay, thank you. It just wasn't in it.
Okay, I'll bring it out.
Yeah, thank
I got
you so much.
Huh?
Hold on. Wow. Deep throating crab is crazy tough.
Can you see my
Which one
glove?
was my corn?
Huh?
Which one was my corn?
This one's mine.
The way you're just like, dude, you have
We're
to.
like dogs. Like, wait, where's my
You have
glove?
to. No, that's mine. Wow.
Wait, what are you saying?
You have to scoop the shit.
Oh, hold on.
Look.
I'm gonna put on my potato. I'm gonna put on my potato so we can eat it together.
Oh fuck, it's getting all over me.
Ready? Ready, 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 ready?
Yeah.
Oh shit, there's sauce on my boot. Wipe it off.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh god.
Bitch, right there.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna bring it out right now.
Okay, thank you.
But we gotta tip them for our bullshit.
Mine is the big mama. We just squirted on me. Oh wow.
Where's mine? I had one left. Did you eat it?
This is yours. This is mine. Here, you can have this.
Okay. I'm like, I had one more left, bitch.
I was like,
I
wow,
know what I
I was
got.
like, wow, I have two. We saw sausage coming out.
Yeah, we gotta slow down. For what? They're like,
You already ate all the crab? Wow, you guys.
This bitch.
I haven't eaten all day. I literally. Okay, I ate breakfast. And then I went to work. And then I haven't eaten. I'm so hungry. I can still go for a sweet treat though. What sweet treat? Boba?
What do you want? Sweet treat on me.
Because I'm buying this.
I'm gonna buy him a $5 fucking ice cream.
And then this is like $100. I haven't drank anything.
Me neither. That's literally why I took off my glove. I'll feed you.
I don't know. Okay. The butter's enough. I'm drinking the butter.
Wait, I don't want my tits. What are you gonna get? Tilt it, tilt it.
Guys, I put iced tea here.
I put Coke Zero. Make
Now I'm
sure
waiting for
all
the
the
sausage.
legs are empty.
Oh shit. Oh, she's empty.
She's
Dude.
empty.
We did her. girl.
Ah, there's like carne in there.
I know.
Fuck is our sausage?
Where's my sausage? Oh yeah, thank you so much. You're fine.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Fuck.
That's a lot of freaking sausage. Wow.
Sausage my face.
Oh wow. But the sausage adds flavor to the meat. It does. Wow. Girl.
Wow.
Wow. It's like I feel like you get this extra.
I feel like you did. Fuck.
Oh, we're gonna finish this. Now I can eat a gusto.
Yeah, not doing that gusto.
The crunch. Wow.
I'm about to order another pound of crab. Nick Avocado lost weight and we're just gaining this shit.
Literally, I haven't drank anything. I'm drinking better.
Me too.
My egg. Oh, there was carne still in this. I'm stupid. Wow.
Wow.
You're raw dogging this, and I have bib and gloves on.
I am raw dogging it.
Anyway, thumbnail. I'm not.
Louis or Adam?
Please text me.
Adam. Mukbang together. Mukbang.
I feel like I look a mess. I have so much juice on me. I feel it. It's like oily on my neck.
On your neck?
Guys, the last time I came here, it was my first time eating seafood boil. And I didn't eat all my food because I thought I was allergic. But apparently it doesn't work like that. Apparently you become allergic like when?
Bitch.
I don't know. We'll find out.
You fucking break out in hives. Bitch, we live in this shit empty.
Bone dry, baby. I'm about to lick this plate.
Oh fuck.
Is it still on my neck?
On your neck? There's nothing on your neck.
It's on my arms though.
Fuck,
Because I've been wiping. Oh my god.
I feel like my face, like my makeup is just seafood boil oil now.
Yeah? Okay, now that we're almost done with our appetizer, when's our real food? You're gonna choke on the sausage. Wait, okay, I'm just gonna raw dog this thing too.
Exactly, bitch.
Okay. Last one. Wait.
Cheers. Oh, let's feed each other.
Oh wow. Hold on. Okay. And then
I'll put a sausage on top. It was so good when you prepared it.
I tasted your finger and it like made it better.
Better. I need Coke Zero. I need it now.
Wow.
I need it now. A ver tú.
Wow, I am a man.
Manly instinct kicked in. I'm gonna show you guys our pants right now because it's disgusting. Our pants look so gross
It's
right
so
now.
sick.
This
There's
is fucking
handprints.
sick. This is fucking sick.
Wow.
It's like socio.
It's like we look like
Like,
gross.
I have to hurry up before the waiters come and they think that I ordered. Oh shit. Oh shit.
Oh, fuck.
Okay. We need a Coke Zero so that we don't drink our calories.
The Coke Zero cancels out the calories because zero equals zero
Zero
calories.
calories.
So
It's like I ate nothing today.
Exactly, air.
Literally.
Like air.
I'm really fucking.
Read that.
Oh my Wow, the king. That's what it is, huh? The king?
Oh, they knew to give us 2 wifeys each. Oh, they gave us some. Oh, wow. Okay.
Ooh, I still have a crab leg left.
There's 1 sausage. Someone has to eat.
What? Guys.
Wow. I missed the carne.
Shut up.
Oh my god. This is the
No te la
carne.
comas, no te la comas, no te la comas.
I did. Oh, I missed another one.
That one's mine.
No, it's not. Why are they playing Billy extra loud?
I'm loving how
You're teasing me. Why is yours so big? I'm jealous. Oh, wow. Wow.
fucking did. This bitch already ate it.
Oh, yeah, baby.
What? Where are you getting all these little carnitas from?
They're in the little knuckles. I don't think there's anything in there.
I think there is.
It got on the wall.
What the fuck?
Shit.
I'm starving.
Starving? Starving? Why are we starving? You're like, now I'm gonna check my knuckles.
I think this was your knuckle. When you started scavenging, and you're like, oh, I'm scavenging my knuckles, it's not someone on your side, and I yanked that shit.
Oh my god.
Babe. Wow. We ate all the sausage.
We literally-
Oh my god, there's a big ass nasty bug in here. Ew, if that shit
It's
flies
a
over here, I'm
moth.
literally gonna fucking kill
It
myself.
went behind the TV. Who made that?
There's a whole big carne right here, bitch.
That's mine.
When should we go eat Dave's?
Tomorrow?
Tomorrow? Actually?
If I don't have work in the morning.
Bitch, Dave's for breakfast?
Yes.
Diabolical.
Yes.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Well, that was our seafood mukbang.
We'll see you guys when we get a sweet treat.
We get a sweet treat.
Okay,
Go
guys,
on,
we're
man.
on our way to Boba, but oh, look at this guy. We're at Carna's.
Todos los
Wait.
pinches paisas aquí quieren pasar a la verga. So we made it to our sweet treat destination. We chose to be honest. I think I'm showing you. Let me see. Let me put it. Oh. Okay, we made it to be honest.
Boba, cause you know I love some black ball.
So we're gonna get a big ass fucking boba cup.
Boba.
The biggest fucking one they got in there.
Boba.
And we'll be right back with our big ass drink.
Yeah.
Strawberry matcha and then 1 large brown sugar.
So we got our big ass drinks.
Okay, I'm excited. Yeah, he's really like here.
Wait, do they put boba in it?
I don't know. I don't get boba. She asked if you wanted any toppings.
But what the fuck does that mean?
Boba.
That's tastes like shit.
Try it.
I'm not gonna drink mine anymore.
Oh, I'll drink. I'll drink it for breakfast.
So I'm literally about to cry.
Wow! Hey, can I get a Sarah boba? Let me lay us $1.
We're leaving.
Okay.
It's good. I'm not gonna lie, it's good. I'm just mad. I'm just mad. It's really good. You wanna try mine?
No. Actually, I
You said you were literally gonna drink it for breakfast if I didn't drink it.
Weird.
Weird.
I like yours.
I like yours.
You want to switch?
You want to? I'm not typically a matcha.
I was thinking about getting the dirty much. I mean, dirty. What is it? Milk. Dirty milk.
It's called, I got the caramel one. Or
The dirty milk tea.
or whatever. It's
Like, subscribe. I don't know. What did they say?
like, comment, follow, subscribe.
But you can't see me.
And then what food they want to see us fucking shove down our big ass throats next.
Yeah. Only things that are like knownable.
Yeah. We're definitely gonna do Dave's. We need to do a Texas to Brazil mukbang. We need to do that. But
see you guys in the next
time.
one.
Bye, girls.
Guys.
They bought pizza.
Wait. What?
Wait. Let's take a bite.
Are you serious? After now we're done. Well,
Wow.